SellerEngine connects the 6 daily workflows behind an Amazon business. Each workspace turns live operational data into one focused decision, while keeping the evidence visible. Sales Hub shows the difference between what the business sold and what it actually kept. The Profit Bridge connects revenue with fees, advertising, product costs, and reimbursements. The filtered profit and loss can be exported for review, sharing, and financial follow-up. Sniper Hub finds keywords that are already converting efficiently. Winners show where bids can be raised with evidence instead of guesswork. It also isolates spend that is producing no sales. Each recommendation explains whether to lower the bid or add a negative keyword. Stock Control compares sales velocity, available stock, and supplier lead time. Coverage turns inventory exposure into a clear replenishment priority. Supplier recommendations consolidate quantities by SKU, so teams can prepare purchase orders without duplicating demand. PricePricer combines product cost, Amazon fees, and live prices to expose margin risk. Loss detection makes unsafe pricing visible before it reaches the catalog. Before any update, the app checks Amazon's current price against the proposed change. The seller validates the result before publishing. Listing Health reads the live ASIN and compares current content with an optimized draft. Exact differences stay visible, so every change remains reviewable. Nothing is published automatically. Amazon validation runs first, and the seller must approve the final change. TaxLedger separates VAT activity by market, country, and currency. Country totals make local and cross-border obligations easier to review. Accountant-ready invoice and sales files can then be exported from the same filtered reporting period. SellerEngine connects performance, advertising, inventory, pricing, listing quality, and tax reporting in one operating workflow. Start your free trial at sellerengine.app.